the pretty girls walk like this, 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 this. Pretty girls walk like this, 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 this. All the pretty girls walk like Solomon said in Proverbs 31. She got Jesus on her mind and she living for the sun. Don't care if the world don't like me. I'm a daughter of God, not a Pisces. Ooh, she's close.